In just under 2 weeks, there will be a status hearing in this case. And then on January 29th, the evidentiary hearing will begin. It is expected to take several days, and the defense team will get to make their case for why a new trial should be granted. Now, Murdaugh's defense team originally filed for the new trial back in September in Colleton County. That motion alleges that the clerk of court in Colleton County, Becky Hill, tampered with the jury that found Murdaugh guilty of the murders of his wife and son. We're about to listen to part of that press conference held by Murdaugh's attorneys back in September about these claims. But on January 29th, former South Carolina Supreme Court Chief Justice Jean Toll will decide if there is enough evidence to support their argument. During the hearing, jurors, the clerk, and even Judge Clifton Newman might have to testify under oath.
What we had filed today, supported by sworn testimony of jurors, is that the clerk of court had improper private communications with the jurors, and the subject matter of those communications was the credibility of the defense that the Murdaugh legal defense team put up, and it was the believability of the defendant's own testimony.
The defense and the state filed their pre-hearing briefs outlining their arguments for why or why not Murdaugh should be granted a new trial. Murdaugh's team says at least one juror will testify that Hill asked them their opinions about Murdaugh's guilt or innocence during the trial. They also attached emails that Hill sent to prosecutors during Murdaugh's trial about defense witnesses' merits. The defense also wants to collect evidence from Hill, including her phone records. The state argues that to move forward with a new trial, the defense needs to prove that Hill had improper contact with members of the jury and that their verdict was impacted by it. Also yesterday, Justice Toll ordered that Becky Hill will be removed as the clerk and that all documents be filed with the clerk of the South Carolina Supreme Court. In the studio, I'm Erin Morgan. Count on 2.